Imagine solving in seconds what would take the fastest computer thousands of years. That's not science fiction, that's quantum computing. You're watching Quantum Channel 28, your portal to science, tech, and beyond. Well, computers process information using bits. Simple one south and south. Fast, yes, but limited. There are problems they just can't handle efficiently, like modeling molecules or cracking encryption. Quantum computers use qubits. Unlike bits, qubits can be 1, 0, or both at once, thanks to superposition, even cooler. When qubits become entangled, changing one affects the other instantly, no matter the distance. That's quantum entanglement. Why should you care? Because quantum computers could revolutionize how we create new medicines, power smart cities, or even design advanced AI. Think faster simulations, more secure communication, and solving problems classical computers simply can't. But there's a catch: quantum computers are still experimental. They're incredibly sensitive and hard to scale, but the progress is happening fast. Quantum computing isn't just the future, it's the now. If you want to understand how tomorrow's tech is being built today, hit subscribe and join us on the journey through Quantum Channel 28.